In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ubisoft Connect installer. Integrity check has failed. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you're seeing this error alert, which usually means the installation file is corrupted, incomplete, or tampered with. So the best way to fix this is to go ahead and delete the current installer you have, and then go to the official Ubisoft website, which is here, and download their Ubisoft Connect. So re-download a fresh installer and then go ahead and run that installer. But before you run it, also run it as administrator. So right click on the installer file and then click run as admin. That gives it necessary permissions to avoid any integrity check errors as well. Now, if you got any antivirus or Windows Defenders running, go ahead and disable them for this installation. So sometimes antivirus software can interfere with this type of installation, and then obviously re-enable the protection after the installation is complete. And another fix we can do is on your keyboard, hit your Windows key and R, and then type in %temp like so, and then click OK. And also corrupted temporary files can cause installation errors, so you just go ahead and clear your temp files. I'm going to select all and delete mine, and right click and click delete. So I'm going to clear my temp file. Depending how much you got in there, it should only take a few moments, and then go ahead and try that installer again. Another thing we can do is check for disk errors. So hit Windows R again and then type in command or CMD, hit OK. And now here we want to go type in check DSK space /F, hit enter. So what this is going to do, it's going to run a quick disk check. So just run that. I can't run this because I'm on the wrong user for this PC to run this type of check.